Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can blur your background in Canva. To blur your background on your project or design in Canva, first of all, launch open the Canva application or website and log into your account first. Once you're inside the homepage of Canva, tap on one of your recent designs where you want to edit or simply create a new design and add elements on them. Here I'm just opening up a recent design of mine. Now, if you want to remove the background on one of the images from your design, simply go ahead and select the image from the layer and then from the bottom menu, click on Effects. Now click on the Blur button under Effects and then you can choose whether you'd like to blur the background with the brush tool or the whole image. If you want to blur out the whole image, you can increase or decrease the intensity under the whole image page. But if you want to simply blur your background from the image, simply choose the brush option. Now, select your brush size by dragging this little brush size white dot and then trace with the help of your finger along the background of your selected image. Cover the whole background and make sure it is painted with your little brush. And once you do that, you can release your finger and you will notice that the selected or the traced part from the image has been blurred out. Now you can also select the intensity of the blur. Increase or decrease the intensity by dragging the intensity slider, and you can furthermore blur out your background by redoing this step one more time, and you should see that you have further blurred out your background from the image. So that's how it's easily done. You can now go ahead and save your changes within your project. So there you have it. That's how you blur your background from an image in Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.